LG's rollable OLED TV goes on sale.
Welcome to the brand new Tech.Inc video. The best place to find the latest tech gadgets, news and trends.
Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button and click on the notification bell.
After years of teasing, LG is finally selling a rollable OLED TV. The RX-branded Signature OLED R launched in South Korea today, offering a 65-inch 4K display that tucks away into its base at the press of a button. Now let's dig into the specifications. 1. LG OLED TV is unique thanks to its self-lit technology. Over 100 million self-lit subpixels come together to deliver the next level of TV. Enjoy the deepest blacks, richest colors, and most realistic picture quality. 2. TV appears when you need it, and disappears when you don't. And the 3 different viewing choices let you maximize the stylish design as a part of your interior. Use full view to enjoy movies, line view for music, or zero view to keep the TV nicely hidden. 3. Alpha 9 Gen 3 AI processor analyzes the on-screen content to deliver content as its most immersive. All adjustments are automatic, enhanced for the ultimate picture and sound, to make every viewing a spectacular one. 4. Transform your TV into a central hub with the intelligent ThinQ AI. It allows simple command and control of your home IoT ecosystem with natural voice recognition. There's no remote needed. Also, with the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa built in, LG OLED TV makes life so much more convenient. 5. Watch movies the way they should be, absolutely breathtaking. With Dolby Vision IQ, screen brightness, color, and contrast are intelligently adjusted for content, genre and lighting conditions. Dolby Atmos delivers the immersive audio experience, for maximum enjoyment of all content. The LG pitch for this TV has always been that you can get premium picture quality without devoting room or wall space to a TV that is only used sometimes. For the 100 million South Korean won, US $87,000 price, it comes in an aluminium base that buyers can have engraved with a personal message and their choice of 4 colors for the speaker cover. There's no word on a launch outside of Korea, but interested buyers should stay tuned.